Welcome to the Ampere Honor X7, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search field we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now we can see here the temperature of our device battery, and in my case that's 27 and 7 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, device model, and more other info. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.